Hi guys, this is Samara from the Rover Vibes. Welcome back. I am your psychic energy reader. I'm your tarot card reader. I'm your clairvoyant. I can also spiritually guide you and heal you to get success in your lives. This is the full moon reading for July 23rd, 24th, 2021, which is also called the Bak Moon. This is the full moon, which is also called the Bak Moon, and it is officially lighting up the night sky on Friday 23rd, and it's going to appear reddish orange. So break out those crystals and dig out your SLR cameras, where you're going to be witnessing some truly unreal celestial sights this weekend. So it won't look like a standard Bach moon, but it will be breathtaking nonetheless. So, if you believe the moon's spiritual aspects, prepare to reap the benefits of this Bach moon because, accordingly to the astrological charts, the Bach moon will help us open our mind to our hearts and it will help us reflect on how we've immersed ourselves into the society post pandemic, and it will also be arising in the constellation of Aquarius, which will allow us to embrace our fun side, yet unpredictable emotions. And it will also be a call for us to challenge our societal beliefs, whether you like it or not. And since we are entering the phase of the Leos, now when the Cancer is going to be getting over. So again, the Leo energy is also going to be there since it is the month for the Leos, which is coming up. So hold on to your horses because I just shuffled my deck for you and I'm going to be telling you all about the guidance for the full moon, the buck moon. And let's see, as you all know, and as I've time and again mentioned, the full moon is about completion of a cycle. So this is about reflecting upon what you've done in the past and see what has worked for you and what has not worked for you. So in this context, this tarot and angelic oracle guidance will be there. So let's see what we have for you. So if you're watching this video, this is in store for you. So I am getting this tower energy over here. Tower energy is about breaking the foundation. So whatever you're trying to set up, whatever projects that you have, the past few days, especially, I feel would be a little up and down, a lot of hassles that might have come your way. And this is just a symbolic sign that this is where the transformation needs to begin because this is about if things are not working, if a certain thing has not worked for you, which has caused you pain as well in the past few days, it is about breaking those things and building something new altogether. So, again, the time for metamorphosis, which is coming. And some people might have also felt with the moon's energy changing and coming. If you have seen, the reddish orange moon, I hope you enjoyed that. It is raining here in India, so it's a lovely weather out here. So I'm a little distracted right now with this beautiful side and the birds chirping. Though there's a little bit of noise with the traffic, though. Anyway, moving on to the guidance. The tower energy is talking about building new foundations, actually breaking the old ones and then building new ones and pick up where whatever is necessary and just leave whatever it is behind and leave it like very strongly and start the hard work with the Eight of Pentacles. It's about upskilling yourself, gain the knowledge which is required to build something new. If there is an area in your life where you feel that you need more information on, so get that information when it is related to your relationship or your love life or your um, what should I say, career aspects as well. So see whatever it is that you need. And if you don't know what is there, please, take your time, be patient enough to make a new plan. Because again, like I said, the month is going to be of the Leos and it is coming with the back moon is in the Aquarius, which is coming with the water energies. We have a lot of fire and water and they sort of not go along very well together because again, water can diffuse fire or any other way around, you can talk about the elements of nature. So what we're trying to say here is be patient, because in order for you to lead, you need to make sure that you plan well with a lot of emotions and creativity within yourself, which is why upskilling is very important right now. And if you do that, you're getting a victory card, you're getting the Six of Rods, where things are going to pan out the way you like it. It will be a short-term success. You'll get the signs of short-term success, and I feel that with the short-term success, it is about new beginnings as well. So again, getting the Fool card. So take a leap of faith in what you believe in, and not get influenced by other people and what they're trying to tell you and do to you. So your analysis of what has to be done has to come from you, not from any external influences. So the belief factor has to be in you. And then we're getting a magician, my favorite card, the magician. This energy. Okay, look at that. Now, this is a classic law of attraction card for me. So you can co-create your reality by focusing on what you want, not what you don't want, and take forward what is it that you like about when you try to rebuild certain thing and get upskilling on that matter. So Eight of Cups, moving away from the energies that is not serving you with the moon again. You see the moon over here. Yeah, in this case, this is the back moon. So the back moon is telling you that I'm showing you the light and showing you my orangish, reddish light, and you're going to see things with tinted glasses. So that, just make sure that you're able to identify properly what is it that you don't want to take ahead. And even if that requires taking a hard step, do that, because it's necessary for your goodness and for the goodness of all those who are involved around you. So again, just do this for the highest good of all, and this has to go. So if there is one area which is not working in your life, you need to move past it, and you need to start removing and distancing yourself from that energy and start the healing process over here. Again, High Priestess, another card for intuition, and this is also a card which tells you that do things as per your gut feel. So if your gut feel is saying something that is not true to your heart, and if it is telling you that is something, you do need to do the quiet work as well. You need to be very secretive about it as well. So you just make sure that when you are doing this inner work, this is actually the call of inner work. This is not the call of doing something that requires talking to a lot of people and telling them this is how you're analyzing the situation, and this is how you are going to plans. This planning has to be done in silence, in secret, in be a mystery over here, and that is what the cards are saying, and that is going to make Aquarius energy, the star card, lovely card, beautiful card. This is telling you your wishes will be done, you will be fulfilled, and this energy which is coming in with this new planning, this is a time for most of you, I feel, which is getting the transformation, which is going to impact your life in a big certain way. So if you come across that, just take that as a spiritual lesson, because the star card is coming in and telling you that you get what you want. So beautiful, beautiful energy. Okay, now again, like I said, ask for help from others. Now, this is about asking for help. This is not about discussing what you're planning to do. So be careful in understanding what is actually asking for help, for what purpose, and what is deep down below that. That is not something that you would like to discuss over here with the high priestess that I told you about. And yes, your plans are going to pan out, whatever it is that you're thinking at the moment and you're watching this video at this time. If you like this, please like and subscribe to this channel, and like this video and share it with others so that they can take the benefit of the moon energy. And yes, your plans will be done. You will get what you want. And extra bonus tip is about improving your health. So this is where I am telling you that, like post pandemic, this situation is going to be moving ahead for a lot of people in terms of their home healing process. So if you have suffered from it in one way or the other, directly or indirectly, this is time for you to focus on your health as well, because when you do a lot of uh, planning and a lot of moving around, a lot of changing things around you, this can be a little bit heavy on the heart. This can be a little bit heavy on your soul, in your mental stress, and everything has to be under check. So make sure that you don't invite the stress in and take those little breathers in between. And this is going to be really good, because when you break something, like I said, with the tower, it comes with a break, it comes with emotional upheaval, it comes with pain and distress as well. So you need healing at this time, and the black moon is here to give you that. So that is the guidance with the full moon. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe this feed, and you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook at the Rover Vibe. The description is down below, and I'm always grateful when you subscribe to this channel on YouTube. And please do that, and I'll see you soon again. Thank you so much for watching.